Morgan first came to Queen's in 2001. 10 years later, he graduated with 3 degrees, his most recent being law, and is now articling. But more significantly, Morgan's been a role model for rowers from all universities in Canada. And he's competed at the World U23 Championships, the World Championships, and most recently was a member of Canada's Olympic team this year, hence the London 2012 logo. And we on the team felt it was appropriate to recognize Morgan's contributions by naming a boat after him. So Morgan, you get to do the honors.
Wow. Oh, there we go.
It's for me.
Let's start for the Queen's Rush. Congratulations, Queen.